I feel like I'd probably redesign a sweatshirt. I feel like sweatshirts lack a lot of functional elements which modern consumers, especially us like Gen Z people, need. Like, it doesn't have a lot of integrated technology pockets or modular features. So I feel like sweatshirts need to be more versatile and user centric. So it's stylish also, but it needs to be highly practical for everyday wear.
I would love to redesign a railway system or something because I want it to be more organized. Like how designs are organized and how they can, make things better. So I would redesign that and make it more organized so that there's no chaos.
I will redesign every safety manual that exists. Every one of it, because it is really important. It can literally save lives. And it's always interesting to have something, visually appealing to read on an airplane when you have that, safety guidelines. Okay, built as if you have to put built this way and then whatnot. It's really not interesting right now. It's very boring to see.
Zomato. I feel that there are many things missing. Like, it's not fulfilling. I mean, it should also have a purpose for professional. Like, I'm staying in Bangalore, right? So about the lunchtime, I'm talking about the lunchtime, right? Although they have this feature of cloud kitchen, but still not affordable. They do not have the network of people who wants to have low cost food. So I feel that thing should be added. And as you can see, there are lots of streets are there where good homemade food is also available. So I feel that all those things should also come in the Zomato.
Something a queue management system and all, because I travel throughout the day. So, and that's one of the most difficult part or something most boring part for me in my day. Some ways ki this should be fun or this should be simple for the users or something for the people.
Gym equipment, like my working out, I would really want to not really redesign it, but sort of repurpose them so that they just don't, like, you don't have to plug them in. They do some work. Like if you're running on a treadmill, it like lights up a bulb or charges your phone or something like that, because I feel like it's such a waste. Like, people are sweating away in the gyms and nothing is coming out of it. So I feel like something like that should happen.